Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you guys are here because I wanted to do something a little different. I loaded you guys up in the car with me and we went to Costco together to stock up on some good stuff. If you guys missed my last couple of videos, we did a major clean out and organization declutter video in my pantry, and I wanted to go to Costco and stock up on a few items. Now, I will still need to do a regular grocery store trip on top of this, but I wanted to grab a lot of the things that I know that we will go through quickly and would make sense to buy in bulk. Of course, it is summer break, so the kids are also snacking more than usual, but I want to take you guys with me. We'll head home, we will do a Costco haul, and then get it all organized away together. So let's go home. Is there really a good day to go to Costco? Because we went to Costco at like 11 a.m. on a Tuesday, and I want to say no matter what day, what time, that place is always crazy. And I know it's probably not just my store. I think that's just everywhere. But I don't know, you guys, it can be so stressful. I will say they are pretty well. It seems busy in there, and then the lines seem to go pretty quickly, but I couldn't wait to get out of there and just get home. But my husband and I, teamwork makes the dream work. We got in and out of the store and got everything brought in the house. So I wanted to show you guys a few things that we got. The beef sticks are a new item to me. I've heard great things about them, so I grabbed a bag of those. Also, the Bear chicken, frozen chicken nuggets, I had heard that they taste a lot like Chick-fil-A. Of course, we grabbed a rotisserie chicken, and this was one of the things that we really went in for. We picked up this rack of ribs, and we actually made these last night. My husband did them on the smoker, and I want to say he smoked them for about 3.5-4 hours. And you guys, if you see these in your Costco, pick them up. They were easily the best ribs we ever had. We also go through a lot of bacon in this house, so I decided to pick up just the Kirkland brand thick slice bacon. So we are actually good for a little bit on these. I haven't bought this bacon in a while, but it looked really good. I have been craving a really good croissant lately, and I don't know if you guys have bought these before, but these are amazing. If you see them, pick them up. We went through them in 24 hours. And I figured the other thing I could do with the croissants is make chicken salad sandwiches just as an easy, pretty healthy lunch at home. This is a pretty hefty tray. I would say if you want something easy to serve at a party, pick up a tray of croissants and this chicken salad. It was really delicious. I also picked up this 3-pack of ground beef. I want to say this was $25 for all 3. They did not have it price marked in the store, but I went ahead and grabbed it anyways. I put 2 in the freezer. We ended up putting 1 in the fridge. This 2-pack of organic lemonade, I'm pretty sure my kids have already gone through 1 of these bottles, so I'm glad that I picked this up. Was also completely out of olive oil. This isn't the one I normally get, but I'm going to give it a try. We are going camping this next weekend, and I figured Sunday fun day, mama needs a mimosa, and I have grabbed this Kirkland brand before, and it is delicious, and I want to say about $7. I also wanted a really good vanilla extract, and I threw out a bunch of stuff when we cleaned out the pantry, and I figured the Costco brand would be really good, so I'm going to grab that just to restock what I had to throw out when we did the clean out. We also go through a ton of orange juice in this house, so I got this 3-pack of Tropicana, and I have seen this salsa in other Costco videos. Apparently it's pretty good, so I'm gonna have to give that a try. Let me know if you guys have ever tried this. Another new item to us are these goodles. So goodles, I don't know. But my husband threw these in the car. It's just like a healthier pasta / mac and cheese option. And we're both trying to get in more protein. So I thought, why not? So I thought I'd show you guys the box really good in case maybe you've never tried it before either. I'm excited to try these. I'll have to meal plan something where we can make it as a side. These are a rebuy for us. We get these all the time. My kids will eat them. My husband and I will eat them. It's just a nice, healthier version to like having a fruit snack. Although I did still pick up fruit snacks in this haul, like a lot of fruit snacks, but it's very nice to have options, of course. We go through Hot Pockets like crazy. So when I saw they had a 20-pack, these were a must buy. Another new item to us are these Mason-Dixie pancake sandwiches. We saw they had 13 grams of protein. And my husband gets up early in the morning for work, so we thought this was a great kind of grab and go for those mornings he just needs to get out the door. Of course, this cooked sticky white rice is a staple. My kids love rice and soy sauce, orange chicken, teriyaki chicken. We go through a lot of these rice bowls, so went ahead and restocked those up. Here's the other fruit snacks I got. I ended up filling a whole bin in my pantry with these. And then we also got the Nutella breadsticks where you just like dip in chocolate. Those were more of a splurge, kind of like a guilty pleasure, but the kids, my husband and I all like them. But here is my Costco haul. I also grabbed up that version of their OxiClean. I go through that like crazy. I love to add that into my loads of laundry. So I went ahead and grabbed one of those. But let's go ahead and get organized and get all this put away. In one of my upcoming videos, I do want to also get in here and go through my fridge. I know there's not a ton in here that I need to throw out, but I am overdue for wiping it down. The outside also needs to be wiped down. I feel like my freezer can be a little bit more organized. I do have a second fridge in our garage, so when you see me walk off camera with food, that's probably where I'm going to put things in that fridge and freezer out there. Usually for more like bulky items and obviously freezer items, we keep a lot of our beverages and drinks out there in that fridge. So I kind of do a back and forth and organize everything away. Also, fridge update. We've had this fridge for a few months now and we absolutely love it. It's the Samsung Bespoke and it has been awesome. I have not had to use this feature yet, but this bottom freezer, it's a French door. So both these styles you see me opening right now are currently on a freezer, but you can also change it to a refrigerator if you're entertaining and you need more of a fridge than a freezer. You can actually change it back and forth from a fridge and a freezer. It's really, really cool. So again, not that I've used that option yet, but I just thought it was kind of like a cool concept. But anyways, I'm getting everything put away. I realized I didn't tell you guys what I actually spent at Costco, and we spent a little over $300 for that. So let me know what you guys think in your area. I'm in Southern California. I feel like things are always more expensive here, but at the same time, I do feel like we kind of got a lot, and I was able to restock some things. But yeah, we spent just over $300. Also, in my last video, I mentioned how I bought an over-the-door organizer for the pantry, and I showed you guys a picture because it hadn't arrived yet. I just got this on Amazon, so I'll have to give you guys a better review after using it, but I do think the assembly isn't the best, but like I said, I will report back. It was under $40. I want to say it was like $36 or something like that. I'll link it here for you guys if you want to check it out. I feel like it should have more like hooks or screws or something to hold it together because it is made for holding things and you want to make sure that it's sturdy. So yeah, I'll go ahead and link it for you guys, but it did come in the mail, as you guys can see. Once I got the hang of it and figured out the order of these, then it actually went together pretty easily. And then we'll go ahead and get this assembled, put into the pantry, and then I want to start getting some things organized away, and you guys will see a little bit more into the pantry. So far, the new system is working, but it's also maybe only been about a week or so, and we are on summer break, so that pantry will be put through the ringer, people in and out of it all day. So it'll definitely be putting it to the test, but so far, so good. I will say I do like how you can move the shelving around. So based on what you're putting in here, you could hug the shelves a little tighter, or if you have something that's too tall, you can move it down. I want to say it came with 6 of these shelves. I was trying to decide what I wanted to do because I didn't know exactly what I wanted to put on these quite yet. I wanted to get it assembled and kind of check it out, and then obviously put some things away and then kind of see what I was left with. I was kind of just like going into this with an open mind. I already had organized like my spices somewhere in a drawer, but this would be really great even for like quick grab and go things like spices. You can even put like snacks, whatever you want here, backstock stuff, whatever works for you. I end up putting like some bulk items and stuff in here. I did try a few other things in here, but I wasn't a fan, at least for my pantry. I liked where I had it before, so I put it back where I had found it. But let's go ahead and get a lot of this stuff from Costco organized away into these bins, and then I'll show you guys what I end up putting in the over the door organizer, which can change with you over time. So depending on what you have in your pantry, you can always move things around. So that's one of the things that I really like about it. It doesn't even need to be for food items. You could put all kinds of stuff in there. I will say cleaning out this pantry has relieved a lot of stress for me, not only but like when it came to like going to the store and meal planning and making lists. I can't tell you what a relief it is to know exactly what you have and then you know exactly what you need. It has seriously taken a lot of stress off my plate. So I highly recommend going through your fridge and your pantry, or whatever your system is for holding your food. Go through it and clean it out and get it reorganized. It really does go a long way. It gave me such a clear picture of what I needed to do in here. But I went ahead and organized all this sticky rice and put some popcorn here on these shelves. And then I want to show you guys a couple of days after. I wanted to get some B-roll for you guys. Clearly my kids and my family has gotten into some of this stuff, but I literally didn't touch a thing. I just got up from editing, opened the door, and got this B-roll for you guys, and I didn't touch or fix anything. So that right there tells me that the system is working and this hard work paid off. But thank you so much for watching today, you guys. I so appreciate your time. I know this isn't a super long one, but either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys shop at Costco or Sam's Club. I think maybe I'll be doing a Sam's Club run next because I haven't been there in forever. But please like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye, friends.